7x7 is a unique channel dedicated to the news from dairy industry. Every week you receive brief on top 7 dairy news on this YouTube channel from India and abroad. These news could be seen in detail on our channel dairynews7x7.com also. You may write in the comment box on the dairy topics of your interest. We will try to develop news feature on the same. Your constant feedback and patronage to this channel is our source of inspiration. Top 7 dairy news from the week of 27 September 21 will cover. Amit Shah plans to set up one primary agriculture cooperative society in every other village. State government will give rupees 100 crores to KMF if they start a cooperative bank. Stellups and Airtel Payment Bank offer banking services to dairy farmers. Agriculture Minister Narendra Tomar launched Amul's honey. Jindal Group plans to enter dairy by winning bid for quality dairy. YS Jagan Mohan Reddy wants dairies to hike milk procurement price. And cow milk drinking increase the risk of type 1 diabetes in childhood. Union Cooperation Minister Amit Shah said that cooperatives will also play a crucial role in making India a $5 trillion economy. The centre will soon come out with a new cooperative policy and work in tandem with states to strengthen the cooperative movement. He also announced that the number of primary agriculture cooperative societies (PACs) will be increased to 3 lakh in the next 5 years. At present, there are about active 65,000 PACs. Further, the government is working on setting up cooperative common service centres, national databases besides a national cooperative university. There is no other path other than cooperative that can empower crores of farmers, backward people, Dalits and women in the country. The success of cooperatives would depend on 4 things: determination, clear intention, hard work and working in unity. Chief Minister of Karnataka Baswaraj Bommai suggested that the Karnataka Milk Federation KMF should start its own cooperative sector bank for milk producers. On getting the proposal from KMF, the state government will provide the initial capital of rupees 100 crores. KMF chairman Balachandra requested the government, among others, to increase financial assistance to farmers from the current 5 rupees a litre, increase in price of milk and restarting of financial assistance of 20 paisa per litre of milk to about 40,000 testers, helpers and secretaries working at VLCs. KMF is setting a target of procuring 100 lakh kg of milk in the next flush season from the current high of 91.2 lakh kg. Balachandra also urged the government to receive the milk supplied under Ksheer Bhagya in UHT or flexi packs instead of milk powder, since it would enable the KMF to supply fresh milk to children. Stellups, a leading dairy tech startup, has joined hands with Airtel Payments Bank to enable cashless payment transfers to small dairy farmers and contribute to digital financial inclusion in the country. Stellups offers holistic financial management programs across the dairy value chain, with special programs designed to improve financial inclusion for dairy farmers through its MooPay fintech platform. Airtel Payments Bank will now onboard the new partner Milk Collection Centers of Stellups as banking points. With milk collection centers operating as a banking point, farmers and other residents in the neighborhood will no longer have to travel long distances. Through these banking points, they will be able to open a bank account, withdraw and deposit cash, earn interest on savings, access Aadhaar-enabled payments, get government pension schemes and make bill payments. The partner ecosystem has been piloted in Uttar Pradesh, Varanasi and Kanpur and Madhya Pradesh, Gwalior. Over 120 milk collection centers are now also operating as banking points. Union Minister for Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Narendra Singh Tomar launched Amul Honey, a product of GCMMF under active cooperation with National Bee Board (NBB). The minister emphasized the importance of National Beekeeping and Honey Mission (NBHM) in increasing income of small farmers. This, he added, is being implemented in the country for doubling income of farmers and beekeepers through beekeeping with the budgetary allocation of rupees 500 crores. R.S. Sodhi, Managing Director GCMMF, mentioned that dairy cooperatives and their infrastructural facilities can be simultaneously used for honey production through their established setup of 84 dairy plants over all the country. PM Modi had expressed his desire for a sweet revolution on the soil of Gujarat, which has been realized now. 5 large-scale regional honey testing labs and 100 mini honey testing labs are being set up to ensure quality of honey to the consumers. Sarda Mines, a company affiliated with Jindal Steel and Power Limited (JSPL), has emerged as the winning bidder for quality dairy after the milk and dairy products manufacturer was put on auction through an e-bidding process. Sharda Mines won the e-bid process with an offer of Rs 121 crores. The bid is subject to a final approval from the National Company Law Tribunal (NCLT). Sharda Mines recently purchased a 0.52% stake in JSPL through bulk deals. Haldiram's and French dairy Lactalis were among those who interested in buying quality dairy. Haldiram's had made an offer of Rs 144 crores to creditors, but it was rejected and they chose to send the company into liquidation and put it through an e-auction. Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Mr. Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy, has said that dairy farmers are earning 5 to 15 rupees more per litre after Amul Dairy has entered the market and wanted dairies across the state to increase the price of milk procured from farmers. I am happy that sustainable development of women has been made possible after the implementation of YSR, Cheuta and Asra schemes. A transparent cooperative system will benefit women and I want the cooperative system to be strengthened, the CM said. The officials informed that Amul had purchased 71,373 litres of milk in November 2020, which rose to 14.46 lakh litres in August 2021. A total of 1.06 crore litres of milk had been procured by it so far. The average procurement had increased from 6,780 litres to 51,502 litres per day. Research released recently suggests that drinking 2 or more glasses of cow milk daily during childhood can increase the risk of type 1 diabetes, that is insulin dependent, and can strike the young. The new study by researchers at the Karolinska Institute of Sweden, while validating earlier findings that breastfeeding can protect children from type 1 diabetes, has also found that cow's milk significantly raises the risk. The researchers have cautioned that their findings should be considered preliminary observations and would need to be validated through more research before any dietary recommendations can be made for the general population. The finding comes amid concerns that the incidence of type 1 diabetes is increasing worldwide. The researchers said the count of type 1 diabetes in young people was rising annually by an estimated 3.4% in Europe and 1.9% in the US. A 2015 review had estimated that type 1 diabetes was increasing in India too at about 3 to 5% per year, with 3 new cases per 100,000 children aged under 14 years.
Thanks for watching Dairy News 7x7 channel with news update from last 7 days. To continue receiving update from this channel, I, Kuldeep Sharma, request you to subscribe this channel and share and like the video, and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.